winter. The cold, the snow, the short days, and the long, long nights. It's all a biker's nightmare. It's time to escape. Okay, here we are. Jason's arrived. We'll get going. Okay, so temperature is 0.5 degrees. It's nice and at least it's not raining. First traffic jam. It's getting a bit warmer now, isn't it?
Better.
A little bit better.
What was you down to?
70 k's range left.
Okay.
Okay, crossing the border now into Luxembourg, somewhere I don't think I've taken my motorcycle before to Luxembourg, and here we are. Well, another country chalked up. I haven't actually spent nearly enough time in France, considering it's one of the biggest neighbours where I live in Germany. 353 kilometres to go. We've put in the navigation, avoid all toll roads through France, and the advantage is you get to go through these little towns and have a look, and it's quite good actually. I'm quite enjoying it. I mean, this is obviously quite a big town, but we've been through some cracking little villages right out in the countryside. Sit rep, 1 kilometre to the campsite. It's now 20 to 7 at night. We've managed to avoid all the toll roads in France and stayed on the back routes, just over 700 kilometres. And here we are. Not bad. Unsurprisingly, we are the only people in the campsite tenting like a pair of idiots. It's the temperature is dropping. Jason's got his new tent. We'll look at that later when we've perhaps got a bit more light. We need to get ourselves set up quickly before we freeze to death. Okay, let's get on with it. Jason's pulled the treat out of the bag. What have you got there, mate?
I bought 2 bottles of lovely rosé wine. The small ones, obviously, perfect for motorcycle camping.
Is that chilled?
It's very chilled, natural chilled.
Good night, Jason.
Night, Stevie. Hopefully I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, what I'm doing is just getting the ice out of my... You see that in there? Ice out of my hot water bottle. We got away with it this morning. I don't know what temperature it is. I'll have a look in a minute. It is cold. There's a happy man. That's we can see. Look, that's Jason's new tent. He's very happy with that, aren't you, Jay?
Yes, very, very happy.
That's good. That's good.
My admin is all over the place inside. But
yeah. So well, we're packing up now, so that's fine.
Yes.
As you can see, but we're in no rush. But it is.
Everything stops once the tea's ready.
And it is definitely hand in pockets cold. But we'll push on. Okay, leaving campsite number 1 then. Does that open automatically? Oh, that's good.
So we can refund you the difference between the
Thank you.
you paid yesterday and the...
Thank you very, very much.
Did you have a nice night?
No, it was cold.
Yeah, it's nice though. It was nice. Right, so I'm now €10 in credit.
Why you do this to me?
But that's it.
I like it. I like your stuff.
€10 in credit, yeah?
What am I putting on here?
Fucking, you won't find it. I couldn't even find it. I had to go to the map, find it on Google, cross-reference it on that, and then press it. I put it on here. There you go. That is the town. Try putting that in. Yeah, you won't find it, but okay. Good luck. You found it? Yeah. I didn't.
Right, so no tolls, exactly the same setup as yesterday.
Just no tolls. That's it.
Done. So we should, in theory, be heading in the same direction.
What?
Temperature.
I'd
What's the fucking...
2.5.
Okay, two gloves for now.
It's all right, isn't it? Hotter who, yeah?
So we are on day 2
Yep.
of the tour. We had the first night in a lovely French bike and tent package camping place. €9. It was alright that for €9. And now we're on the second stint trying to get to the start point that we've given ourselves for going over the Pyrenees. Agreed, Steve?
No, we're not going to make it, are we, today?
I don't think so. I mean, what we on? We're on 12:30 already.
At
And
this rate, we probably won't get there tomorrow either, but...
don't matter. Play it by ear.
Okay, we just pulled into a little rest area deep in the French countryside now. We've got about 100 k's to go to the campsite. Yeah,
Okay, say hello to the camera.
hello camera.
There you go. Happy to see the Crocs are still there, Steve.
Yep.
All good.
Some nice little twisties here, boys and girls. Okay. Right, now this is campsite number 2, and it may look to the untrained eye as a farmer's field in France, and that is because it is a farmer's field in France, and that's where we're staying tonight. Jason, now we went through some twisties earlier. My GoPro battery died, so I said hopefully Jason's captured all that on film because he's got some new GoPros. Haven't you, Jason? Where'd you get those from?
Well, one of our subscribers, Ralph, who also has a YouTube channel, and we'll put the link into that down below.
I'll whack that down below, yeah.
Has fitted us out for this tour with GoPros front and rear.
Yeah.
And a GoPro Gucci turning on button,
Yes.
which I will learn how to use by the
he
end
does
of
know how
this
to use it,
little tour.
Ralph, and you'll see some footage from your kindly borrowed GoPros
So
tomorrow.
Ralph, big shout, thank you very much.
Excellent stuff. Come here. Dog doesn't want to play. Let's get the comb over. Cheers.
Don't laugh.
Good night, Jason. It's freezing. Day 3. A little bit frosty this morning. Shit. Right, let's get motivated. Okay, so things we've got to contend with today is potentially, as we are sort of relatively in a hilly location, quite high up. It's a very windy road, very narrow road on the way here. So we might have ice to contend with on the roads. Initially, we're going to take the auto route. So all that I've been talking about, saying how much money we're saving not going on the toll roads, we're binning that now. And we are going on the toll roads to make a bit of speed up. And then tomorrow we springboard actually into the intended tour. Right, let's pack our kit up, get a brew on. So, what a great campsite. I'll put the name of it down below. We spoke to the guy, he's a British guy, expat, and him and his wife moved out here from Cornwall, settled in a beautiful countryside in France. And yeah, he says he's more than happy to have bikers here. He says you put the bikes in his barn, he's got camp cots you can use. So yeah, recommended. Definitely, if you're travelling through France, then consider stopping off here. And you'd very much like the support. Yeah, definitely, if you're transiting through France, stop off here. I mean, the roads, approach roads to this campsite and the approach roads from the campsite are all, look at it, proper rural mountain roads. It's really good and super friendly, very helpful guy. Obviously, if you don't mind, if you sort of want to get away from the luxury and get a bit back down to basics, what a great little campsite. It's cheap, very friendly, he'll help you out, firewood, park your bikes in the barn, camp cots available, sleep in the barn if you want, he said. So yeah, he's even got chickens, you can have eggs in the morning. It's all there, it's all there. Sure, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to go to this one. Okay, right, I'm stopping. Ticket in there, yes, I see what's going on. Goes in there. Number 1. Number 2. Is that it? Green light, paid. No, just scanned it. We're off. That was easy. 13 degrees now, hottest it's ever been. Definitely heading south. Here we go again. All the police are on the other side as well. Where are we? Rivers. Wave. Let's get it on! Let's get it on! What the f***? Here we go again! See how Jason gets on? Jason has to take his glove off to hold it up against the machine. Right, then he gets back on. Now he puts his card away. It's back on the bike. Then he comes next to me. Then he has to put his glove back on. Quite quick though, he hasn't got his mittens on. Then he has to mess about a little bit there. Yeah, don't know what he's doing there. Doing his glove up. Then he'll probably have to bring it. Yep, okay, that was okay. No, that was reasonable. It's getting better. It's getting better. He is the faffery master. Keep going, 71k. Wow, I don't know if you can see that. There's my first time I've seen the Pyrenees in my life, and we're going to go over them tomorrow. I don't know if you can see them on the GoPro. But yeah, it's going to be great. It's going to be really good. Are we on 3, Jason? Jason, are we on campsite 3? Oh Christ, I'm like talking to myself. Are we on campsite 3, Jason? Jason?
Sorry?
Are we on campsite 3? That's the 3rd time I asked you that question.
Yes.
Fucking deaf twat. Right, behind me, you probably can't see, I don't think you can see, but behind me are the Pyrenees Mountains. So that means we're really close to D-Day. So that's going to be cool. Yes, that's right, viewers. You're watching a YouTube video of a man watching a YouTube video. And that is the best YouTube channel.
After
Night,
ours.
no, they're better than us. Nightcrawler 666. Subscribe. Good night, Jason.
Good night, Stevie.
Sleep well.